Everybody look here. 1 and 2 and 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Here, please, here. Sini. Tampines is a good team, one of the best teams in the region. They play Champions League qualification. They were unlucky that they had Bali United, and it was equal game, showing their quality. They have same team that's playing 2-3 years together, so definitely good opponent. For us, finally, I think that we have all our players, but unfortunately some of them joined us only a few days ago. So still we are not on our best, but we will use this game as preparation for the league matches and for the AFC Cup matches.
Thank you, Coach. Do you have any questions?
Coach, welcome back to Singapore. What's your? I mean, I know you said Tampines is a strong team, stable team. Have 2-3 years almost the same team. But is there any area of the team you think is strong, or maybe even maybe it's a weakness that you can
I think that attackingly they are quite good. I saw the new player, striker. They have Jordan, they have Mehmedovic in midfield. Attackingly, Japanese player also attackingly, they are really good. Definitely every team has some weakness, but this one is on us to try to explore and try to use.
And you mentioned some of your players arriving late and stuff like that. Which are the players that will miss out for the game tomorrow?
But it's not nobody. I have full squad except the 2 players that have a red card. But the only problem is that we had 3 players that joined 3 days ago. So because they were in clubs until 31st January, so they just joined us. So
who are these players? Sorry for my knowledge.
This is Jakub Sayuri and Ronnie. What is the full name?
Jakub Sayuri and
Ronnie
Beroperai.
And also one of foreign players, Sheriff, who's just joined us.
PSM Makassar did very well last year in the AFC Cup. They reached the zonal semi-finals. Is that the target again this year, to minimum to reach the zonal semi-final, or
I don't like to put targets in front of the players too much, because this is one pressure. And players in Southeast Asia normally they have problem to play under pressure, so I like to go match by match. But for me, it's only thing is the thing that so far in this 1 month we improve our defending. So now attackingly still they need understanding, because I said sometimes if you have your office and in the office you have 4 or 5 people, you need time to understand each other. Same thing is for us. Like first game we have 6-7 players that first time play together. Also in this game we will have 2-3 players that will first time play together. So we need a little bit time, we need a little bit training to understand each other. So we will go match by match without pressure.
And last from me, this is away from football a bit. Obviously there's been a situation with the virus and everything like that. Is there anything on your mind, or maybe your players' mind about the virus? Worried to be in Singapore or anything like that?
Well, I don't think that we are worried. I think that here always is organized against these things. Singapore is always organized for that. And I think that virus cannot survive outdoor. So only problem is shopping centers and hotel. On the pitch I don't have this problem.
Okay. And for player, any ada khawatir ke?
Tidak.
Tidak. Okay. That's all.
Yes,
Everybody look here. 1 and 2 and 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Can shake hand? Okay. Yeah. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Coach can shake hand, please. Okay. And everybody look here. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Anybody else?
Okay.